Imagine being able to create high-quality UGC videos, the kind you see all over TikTok, Reels, and YouTube ads without hiring a single actor, freelancer, or editor. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, today I'm diving deep into a platform that claims it can do exactly that, MakeUGC.ai. I spent the last few days testing it out, breaking it, and pushing it to its limits, and honestly, the results were not what I expected. Before we even touch the platform, let's talk about why a tool like this matters. Creating effective UGC content is incredibly valuable right now. Brands are pouring money into short-form, authentic-looking videos because they convert, but creating those videos the traditional way can be painful. You need to find creators who match your brand, send out products, wait for filming, go through rounds of editing, and then hope it performs. If you're a solo entrepreneur or a small business, that process is not just expensive, it's slow. MakeUGC.ai promises to solve this by letting you create realistic user-generated content in minutes using AI avatars, scripts, and a bit of creativity. But here's where it gets interesting. MakeUGC.ai has a product-in-hand feature. Essentially, the avatar can hold or interact with a product, making the final output feel more like a real influencer ad rather than a floating talking head. I tested this with a fake skincare product, and the result genuinely looked like something you'd see from a mid-tier content creator on Instagram. It's not perfect, sometimes the hand positioning is a little off, but for an automated process, it's impressive. One thing I really liked was how fast iteration is. In traditional video production, making small tweaks means reshoots, editing, re-rendering, it's a whole process. Here, if you don't like the script pacing or the avatar's look, you just adjust and regenerate. Within minutes, you can produce multiple variations of the same ad, which is a dream for marketers running A divided by B tests. MakeUGC.ai can train a digital version of you that can then deliver any script you write. According to the platform, training can take up to an hour, but once it's done, you can generate unlimited videos using your own avatar. That's wild. Imagine cloning yourself for your content pipeline. MakeUGC.ai claims that you own the rights to the videos you generate, even if you cancel your subscription, which is a big deal for commercial use. So who is this tool for? If you're a marketer, entrepreneur, or creator looking to rapidly scale content, especially ads, explainers, or localized versions, this is incredibly useful. It's not a replacement for real creators when it comes to storytelling or brand authenticity, but it's a powerful supplement. Think of it as your on-demand content team that never sleeps. Before wrapping up, I wanted to share one funny moment. I tried to break the platform by giving it a chaotic, sarcastic script just to see how it would handle tone shifts. The result was hilarious. The avatar delivered the lines perfectly straight-faced, like a news anchor reading memes. It wasn't usable for serious content, but it did highlight the limitations of tone control, something I expect these tools will get better at very soon. So, is MakeUGC.ai worth it? In my opinion, yes, if you use it strategically. Don't expect it to replace authentic UGC creators, but do see it as a powerful way to scale your message quickly. For brands that need consistent content but don't have massive budgets, this could be a game changer. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to IdeaPlex, and drop a comment below letting me know if you want me to do a full tutorial or compare MakeUGC.ai with tools like Synthesia and Reels. I've got a lot more AI tools on my radar, and I'd love to help you figure out which ones are actually worth your time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.